Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and these are the new silicone cases for the iPhone XS Max and XS, and they both come in at about $40, which is really expensive for a silicone case, but I think they make decent cases. I've been using the silicone ones in the past, and as you can see it says XS, it does not say 10, so we'll take a look at how it fits on both phones. This one is actually called Blue Horizon, this one is just black, and let's take a look. So we'll open this one first. Just slide this out here, and it's just like the ones before, and actually in the video it looks a little bit purple, but it's kind of a dark blue, so depending on how you're seeing this, but it's got a nice microfiber lining. It's flexible, but it does protect it from drops, and then you've got the little silicone buttons on the side, and that's it. It's pretty nice that way. Now if I take the phone here, and this is the XS, in the way we can tell when we put a case on, let me show you. So we'll put it on here, and if you look right around here, it fits pretty perfectly. So it's really nice right around there. And if I put a 10 in this, it won't fit properly. So let me show you that. So if we pop this off, we'll move this over here. This is an iPhone 10. If I put this on here, you'll see there's a slight gap right at the bottom. So right there, there's a slight gap. Now, it's not that big. It's not that big of a deal. So you can use the XS cases on the 10, but they don't work in reverse. So I've got last year's product red case for the iPhone 10. And if I put this on the XS, you'll see that it doesn't fit properly right there. So right around here, it just doesn't fit. You probably could get away with using it, but you'd have to cut it out properly for it to work. And I tried multiple cases as well. So here's one. This is the product red. I just have a white one as well. Again, you're going to run into that same thing. So the 10 cases are not compatible with the XS, at least from Apple anyway. And that's true of the leather cases as well. So I have a leather case we can test out here. Here's a leather one. And you'll see we get the same overlap. So unfortunately, you can't really use it without having those issues. So you can use the new ones. Of course, you can buy those and they fit just fine on the 10 and the XS that we have here. But unfortunately, we don't get them we can't go in the other direction if we bought a 10. But I don't know how many people will upgrade from a 10 to a XS per se, other than a XS Max. So let's put this one back on. It looks pretty good. Let's take a look at the black one. So here is the black case, same thing. Slide this into place here. And then on the bottom, you'll see, even though there's less microphones here, it still extends so that it's symmetrical. But you do have that lay on the table protection like you did on all of the other ones. And it's just like you'd expect. They fit properly, but it's not exactly the same. So if you went to the older devices, of course, there's no 10 Max. So we just have the XS Max and the 10. And the cases do look good. They feel good. And they hold up fairly well over time. I did have an issue with one of these where they ripped and Apple actually replaced it for me. So no issues there. So other than that, you do have good access to your vibrate or silent switch there. And then your volume up, volume down. Everything feels pretty good, and that's pretty much it. There's not much more to say about the cases. I think they look good, but unfortunately you won't be using your iPhone 10 cases with them. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.